Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll start by making sure you have admin access. Changing system sounds requires it. Once done, plug the USB device so Windows registers the connect event. Now open Settings, go to System then Sound, or open Control Panel and search Sound. You're preparing the context so the system events appear. Make sure sounds aren't muted and your speakers work. Next, click Sound Control Panel from Related Settings so you can access the Sounds tab to edit the USB connect event. You'll now edit the specific event. In the Sounds tab, find the Device Connect or Device Arrival entry. This is the event tied to USB insertion. Click Browse to choose a WAV file. Use a 16-bit 44, 1K HZ file for compatibility. Once selected, hit Preview to hear it. If it's too loud or clipped, pick another file or convert it. Before committing, save the current sound scheme so you can restore defaults. When satisfied, apply the change so Windows will use your new Connect sound. Finish by testing. Unplug and plug the USB device to trigger the event. If you don't hear the new sound, restart Windows Explorer or sign out and sign back in. Sometimes the sound cache needs refresh. Make sure the WAV file is readable by the system, not on a removable drive, and has correct permissions. If things still go wrong, restore the saved sound scheme and retry with a known compatible WAV file. This troubleshooting step solves most permission or caching issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.